Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Increasing numbers of employees are quitting corporate jobs to work for will the money's grades. They strictly to get your foot in the door. Researchers Natalia, Ilushina, and Trent McDonald from the Royal Melbourne Institute of Technology Blockchain Innovation who take you through how to get started. You can make good money working from home. Sure, it sounds like a scam, but is actually what entails the top 5 along road the pipe. Is knitting the word you insider with to real-life crypto. Crazy as come when current laws apply and the metaverse. September 2, 2022, group photo of the announced at the treasure you can be a member of as many does a you look. In regular horse and no job security. Saving the planet called the blockchain killer application with crypto you meet at party. Ethereum is eating the world you only need the internet. Insider guided a real life crypto action. Surpassed 1 billion transaction on September 2020 at the time of writing. Solana is a big high with and has also sold time. Solana's trade is operation 2 years ago and has become increasingly popular in the DeFi and NFT space. With the network providing cheaper and quicker options, Solana has become one of the competition for Ethereum. According to Nansen's State of the Quarter report, Solana's daily transaction grew during this quarter, reaching a total of more than 40 million daily transactions compared to around 1 million transactions per day on Ethereum between April and June. Moreover, Solana's daily non-vote transaction displayed an considerable increasing in volume as compared to Ethereum. Despite having higher volatility, Solana recorded a rank of roughly 1/3 million to 200 million transactions per day, which was supported wallets for around 4 wallets to nearly 1 million wallets toward the end of May 2022. Likewise, Solana users also spend less on gas the 2022 than Ethereum user. Solana network has also ensured its ecology and network despite several issues and interruptions. Ecosystems were also responsible for Solana race. At the time of writing, Solana was changed hand with a shark of in-horse but had experienced and fall in the last 7 days. The post-decentralized Bitcoin Solana surpassed 1,000 billion transactions averted first on coin adoption. Increasing research Natalia, Ilushina, and Trent McDonald from the Royal Melbourne Institute of Technology Blockchain Innovation who take you through how to get started. You can make good money working from home. Sure, it sounds like a scam, but is actually what a dot entails. The tip of and deep, short, long road to be paid. Phantom is now for its paid and expensive layer 1 blockchain. Like other blockchain, for example Solana Sol and Avalanche that scale better than their counterpart, it has been dubbed killer. After raising millions in funds, Phantom launched in my team in December 2019. Since then, it has grown to become one of the most popular blockchains, sitting in the top 10 blockchains by total value locked. Phantom's high throughput blockchain is an open source smart contract platform. It is scalable and compatible, meaning you can deploy and run your Ethereum research application on Phantom. Its structure enables the support for its decentralized finance, other than managing digital assets and deploys. Flat staking, investors can lock up their token from 2 weeks. Days for better returns. The reward varies according to the length of the staking period. The longer are staked, the higher the reward date. Liquid staking, investor tokens participate in liquidity, meaning rewards and more custodian taking. Investor can take on Australian exchanges like Binance of Bitcoin. You can log in with a comfortable wallet like MetaMask. You can open the wallet from your computer or your mobile device. You can create a new wallet or access an exciting one using a MetaMask or seed phrase. Maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.